Hello students, today we will go through chapter number 10, Internet, and in this video I am going to discuss about the Internet, the uses of Internet, basic requirement for an Internet connection, web browser and Internet service provider. So let us begin. So what is Internet? Internet is a network of network, or in simple term we may call it as millions and millions of computers connected with each other. So it is a huge network of computers around the world. That is, a network refers to the group of computers connected together. So there are millions of computers in this network. So it is a worldwide network of computers. As I have already said, millions of computers all over the world are connected to the internet. So internet stands for international network or interconnected network. So when you are connected online, you are not the only one or your friends that are connected into the internet. Once you are connected to the internet, you are connected with millions and millions of computers around the world. So you should be very careful while surfing the internet. All computers that are a part of the internet can communicate and share information with one another. So these computers are connected to each other by telephone wires, Wi-Fi, and dongle, so that it enables us to share the information among each other. The internet, a network, is popularly known as a net. So in simple terms, it can be viewed as a huge storehouse of information. Now next is uses of internet. Now I am going to show you one image here. So if you go through this image, you can clearly understand what are the uses of internet. Like, it is used to send and receive mail. It can also be used for online shoppings, for education purpose, banking, social medias, for searching the information. So let us go through the uses of internet one by one. So it provides information news on any topics. So we can get a lot of information on any topics on the internet. It serves as an important source of information. We can get the latest information in every fields, like say business, sports, finance, politics, and entertainment. Now the next come the messaging, or what we call as a sending and receiving mail. So it allows us to send and receive messages, that is a text, images, sound, videos, anytime and anywhere. Now next, if you go to the figure, you can clearly see the video conferencing taking place. So we can have video as well as the text chat with our friends using the internet. We can do a meeting. You can also have the online class using a video call. The next is the shopping. So buy or sell new old goods means we can buy things on the internet, which is commonly called online shopping, and have them delivered to our homes. So in business term, it is also known as e-commerce, where E stands for electronic mail. Now next is buying air tickets, railway tickets, movie tickets, just sitting at home. So we can also use internet for buying or for the reservations of the airlines, railways tickets. The most important part nowadays internet plays is in banking, where just sitting at home we can perform different banking operations, like say we can do the online transaction, we can transfer the accounts from or money from one account to another account, just staying at home. And the next is exam results. So just sitting at home, if you get the information, just put a search in the Google and you can find or you can check the exam results using the proper URL or the address. Now there are some basic requirements for an internet connection. So let us see what are they. First is we need a modem, an internet connection, telephone line, and a web browser. Now let us go through all this hardware and software one by one. Now let us start with the modem. The image you can see on the screen, we call it as a modem, and the full form of modem is modulator demodulator. So it is a device that convert the signal produced by one type of device, say a computer, to another device, say a telephone line, in a compatible form, and that is used especially to transmit and receive information between computer via landlines or Wi-Fi. So as I've already said, its full form is modulator and demodulator. It means it modulates and demodulates the voice signal. That is, it will convert our voice signal into, that is, digital signal into the analog signal, and analog signal back into digital. Next is web browser. Now, can anyone say me what is a web browser? Because if we don't have a web browser in our device, we cannot access the web page. So if you want to access the web page, you need to have a web browser installed in your computer or in your device. So let me show you what the web browser is. Okay, now you can understand that. These are some of the examples of web browser. So these are some of the familiar terms related to you, like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, Opera Mini, say Netscape Navigator, and Microsoft Edge. So let me show you some more web browsers. Web browsers like say UC browsers and many more. So you need to have any one of this if you want to access the web page. So web browser is a software application or the program that allows you to access the entire information available on the web. So it helps us to locate and display the web page. It also helps the user to interact with the text, images, videos, music, and other information located on the web page. Now next is ISP or Internet Service Provider. Now again, can any one of you say me what is an ISP or an Internet Service Provider? Now let me show you some of the example here. See the Vodafone, Airtel, Idea, say Reliance, BSNL, Jio. These are some of the examples of the company that provides the internet service. So to get an internet connection, you need a subscription with any of the internet service provider, for which you have to pay a monthly or an annual fee. So these are some of the popular ISPs that can be used in India. So ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which provides internet access to the user. It provides the software, username, and password to the user in order to connect to the internet. So this is all in today's video, and in the next video we'll come up with some more internet terms and some of the features that are related with one of the web browsers, maybe Internet Explorer, how to perform it. So till then, this is all in today's video. Thank you, children.